In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your presentation online in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your file to the cloud, send it to others, present live through a link, and manage who can access your slides. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to share. If it's already open, great. If not, launch PowerPoint and open the file from your recent list or your computer. Before you can share, your presentation needs to be stored online, so let's save it to OneDrive. Go to File, then Save As, and choose OneDrive as the location. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Microsoft account details and continue. Give your file a clear name and click Save. Saving to OneDrive isn't just required for sharing, it also enables version history and lets collaborators work from the same, always up-to-date copy. Now look to the top right corner of PowerPoint and click the Share button. If you don't see it, make sure you're saved to OneDrive. The button may be unavailable until the file is in the cloud. You'll see a few ways to share. If you want to invite specific people by email, choose the option to invite people. Enter their email addresses and pick the right permission level. Can Edit lets them make changes to the slides. Can View limits them to read only. Add a short message if you like, then click Send. The recipients will get a direct link in their inbox. If you prefer a link you can paste anywhere, choose to get a shareable link. Select whether the link allows viewing or editing, then click Copy Link or Get Link. You can paste this link into chat, email, or social platforms. This is handy for quick distribution, but remember that anyone with the link and the right permission can access it, depending on your organization settings. There's also a traditional email option. Go to File, Share, Email, and choose whether to send the presentation as an attachment or as a PDF. A PowerPoint attachment is editable. A PDF preserves formatting and is view only. Keep in mind that attachments won't update if you later change the online file. To present in real time, go to Slideshow and choose Present Online or Present Live in newer versions. PowerPoint will generate a link for your audience. Share that link and viewers can follow along in their browser as you present. This is great for remote meetings and works without special software on the audience side. Finally, you can manage permissions at any time. Open the share settings to switch people between view and edit access or remove access entirely. This is useful if a project ends or roles change. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.